today's plan, start with track rods, ball joints, get everything ready to take this suspension off. Hub nuts stuck in on this side, so we're going to pull hub and drive shaft all together. That's this one out. Now, yep, there we go. Three bolts now on top of the suspension strut, and this should all come loose. Right, hold this in place, check this last bolt off the top, and it should just slide down here, and then there we go. Driver's side suspension, and both drive shafts are now out. So you need to pull air box out, a few electrical boxes here containing CDI and some wiring. We need to pull these out of the way, and then I can get to the top of the suspension strut, 3 bolts again, and suspension should come out of this side, ready for fitting lifts and lift kits. That's both struts off and ready for lift kit fitting. Tomorrow we're going to try and take engine out. It's only a short video today. I tried a new point of view with my camera and the footage has not come out well. Go back to tripod tomorrow. Try again. Thanks for watching.